Hi, my name is Seth Yusa A. Lahara, and I'm currently a student at Letran Calamba, enrolled in the Bachelor of Science Information Technology program. Today, I'll be presenting a simple website project that I created using HTML and CSS. It's a fan page dedicated to the action movie titled John Wick. The objective of this project is to practice and demonstrate my basic skills in building a structured web page using HTML for content and CSS for styling. The problem this solves is helping beginners like me learn how to organize a simple web page into clean, meaningful sections: a header, main content, and a footer. This project will benefit students who are learning web development, fans of the John Wick series who want a clean landing page, and anyone interested in creating their own simple, responsive website. Now, let me explain my code briefly. The structure of my website includes three main parts. First is header, the main section, and finally the footer. The header contains the title, a navigation bar with links to the About section, Character section, and Gallery section. The main section has three parts: About the movie, which gives a short summary of the movie, Characters, that lists key characters and their such actors, Gallery, shows an image poster of the movie and a tagline. Although the website has a picture, it doesn't show because of an error. Instead, it shows the alternative title, which is John Wick poster. Finally, the footer includes the disclaimer that this is just a fan page, along with my name and the year. In the CSS style, I used basic styling to apply dark mode colors, adjust spacing, style links, and add a red accent color to match the mood of the movie. I also added a red border around the poster image to give it a stylish look. That's it for my short project presentation. I enjoyed working on this and it helped me understand how HTML and CSS work together to build a web page. Thank you for watching.